Hello, my name is Stephen Fretwell and I'm from SF Locksmiths. So I'm going to try and give you a few pointers on composite doors. They've obviously become very popular and you now may be experiencing some issues. So what these issues could be. First of all, we'll talk about the opening, the closing, the locking. So because of the very nature, they're quite tight fitted within the frames, and if they're not absolutely bang on, you might find that you're having to slam the door shut, or you could be having to really force that handle up to actually get it to lock. Another final pointer could be that the door, you've got maybe a gap, letting cold air in or hot air out. These are all good examples that the door needs a service. We need to be looking at these hinges and resolving those problems. If you leave it too long and you're forcing the door, what you'll find is that the multi-point locking system will ultimately fail. This is a multi-point lock. This is what is inside your door, and this is what keeps it secure and it keeps it draft free. But if you force it, if you're forcing that handle up, then you're going to break it, and these can be very, very expensive. But not to worry, because if it fails in a closed position, we've got all the knowledge and all the skills to get this door open, so that's not a problem. But it can also fail open. Now the test is simple. If you can lift the handle, turn the key, and the handle becomes solid, then it's probably an alignment issue. But if it still doesn't lock and the handle's floppy after you've turned the key, then it's back to that multi-point locking system that's failed. All these things can be sorted. One final thing is that a lot of composite doors now come with a high security lock. This itself is a high security lock, but the very nature is that they've got a lot more going on inside to make them more secure, and ultimately they can fail. The sign that yours has failed is if the key doesn't turn, and I emphasize does not turn 1 degree. If it doesn't, then the barrel has failed. But if it does turn, even if it only turns a quarter, there's every chance it's back to the multi-point locking system that's failed. All these issues can be resolved. All you need to do is give me a call. I'm Stephen and I'm on 07 990 573857. Thank you.